All right, let's talk about getting your business ready for AI. Now, I want you to forget all the complex, futuristic stuff for a minute. This is all about a simple, practical checkup of the tech you're already using. So let's get right into it. So this is the big question, isn't it? Is our tech actually ready for AI? It can feel pretty intimidating, like you need to be a tech genius just to figure it out. But honestly, you don't. We're going to break it down so it makes perfect sense. And come on, let's be real. This is what it feels like sometimes, right? You hear AI and you picture these massive companies with huge budgets and an entire floor of data scientists. It's a super common myth, and today we're going to bust it wide open. Because here is the good news, and it's really good news. Your business, right now, probably has more of the right tech in place than you think. This isn't about starting over from square one. It's just about knowing what to look for.
So let's start at the beginning. Section 1. Assess your core tech. This is all about looking under the hood at the systems you use every single day. We're not talking about buying new stuff. We're talking about understanding what you already have.
And it really boils down to two very simple first steps. First, we just need to check the age of your technology. And second, we need to see how well all your different systems are talking to each other. Think of it like a quick health check for your business's digital heartbeat.
You know, I love this analogy because it's so true. Outdated systems, they're like a classic car. They might look cool, but they're inefficient, they break down, and you can't just plug new tech into them. AI needs modern systems that are built to be connected, secure, and up to date.
And that's the key right there. AI is only as smart as the information you give it. If your customer info is in one place and your finance data is in another, and they never talk, well, AI can't see the big picture. Getting those systems connected means AI can finally listen to everything at once and give you those brilliant insights you're looking for.
Okay, so once you've looked at your core tech, the next layer is just as crucial. That brings us to Section 2, Cloud and Security First. This is all about where your data is living and, more importantly, how well it's protected. You gotta have a secure roof over that strong foundation.
And look, if you're using tools like Microsoft 365, you are already way ahead of the curve. The cloud is basically an AI supercharger. It helps you get started faster, it's safer, and it's way cheaper when you need to grow. Plus, and this is a big one, you automatically get access to the latest AI tools without having to do a thing.
But wait, before you flip the switch on any new AI tool, you have to hit pause and ask this really important question: who can see what? You absolutely have to know who has the keys to your sensitive data. It's not just a nice to have, it's a must have.
It really is this simple. You wouldn't just give your car keys to someone without knowing they're a good driver, right? Same thing with your data. You've got to check the locks first. This means having things like multi-factor authentication in place before you let AI take the wheel.
All right, you've checked your systems, you've locked down your data. Now we get to the fun part. Section 3 is all about taking your first AI steps. We'll look at how you can start experimenting in a way that's simple, practical, and totally safe.
Seriously, don't try to boil the ocean here. Start small. Try letting AI summarize your team's meetings for you. Or use it to clean up that messy spreadsheet of customer data that's been bugging you for months. Even just using Copilot to summarize a crazy long email chain is a perfect low-risk way to start.
And remember, the goal of these little tests is just to learn. You're not trying to launch a huge project. You're just dipping your toe in the water. You want to see what works smoothly and, maybe more importantly, find out what's missing so you can fix it before you go big.
To make this all even more straightforward, Edge 15.1 actually put together a free AI tech readiness checklist for you. It's a simple one-page guide that walks you through these exact steps so you can get a really clear picture of where you stand. Go ahead and download it. It'll make this whole process a breeze.
So let's end on this thought because I think it's so powerful. AI doesn't come in to replace your IT, it comes in to reward it. All the work you do to modernize your systems, connect your data, and keep things secure, AI takes that great foundation and just makes it better. It amplifies what you're already doing right. So really, the question isn't if you're ready, it's what amazing thing are you going to do first?